Morning, folks. I'm Sam Ford, Ford Brothers Auctioneers, and we're down in McKinney, Kentucky, historic McKinney. It's in Lincoln County, and we're at the John Elliott farm. Mr. Elliott is right here with me. He has been a pillar in this community for many years. He has farmed hundreds of acres. He sold his farm, and now he sold his house, which we're in right now, and moving to Louisville. And so he's got a lot of things that they're going to be selling. You'll see as we walk through the house. And please stay with us, because when we get through in the house, we're going down to the shop and look at the machinery and tools and so forth. So we're probably going to be 10 or 15 minutes. Don't turn us off until then. This is Paul Playforth. Paul is the listing agent and manager of this sale, and done a great job getting everything ready. And we're just going to kind of walk through, give you an overview of what we have here in the house, and then, like I say, we'll go to the shop. I'm going to play a meteorologist right now. If you can't, I hope you can't hear it, but it is absolutely pouring the rain here in McKinney, Kentucky. And with that said, we'll go ahead and start. We're in the kitchen right now. We've got a lot of things in here. We've got, you can see the breakfast set. I see a little washstand over here. In the drawers, we've got all kinds of dishes. We've got small appliances, lamps, and just a whole array of items that we'll be selling. A lot of the stuff is boxed, and we'll not be able to take it all out right now. We've had it out. You'll see it on, if you go to our website, you can see it. We've got lots of prints, Kentucky prints. We've got a Jim Oliver print, a Lincoln County artist, and we'll be going through those. Why don't you look in here in the dining room? Right here is a beautiful, beautiful cherry dining table, and it's got 6 chairs. And this, I'm gonna give you a little story about this table. This John cut the cherry tree. His grandmother gave him the tree, cut the cherry tree here on the farm, took it down to Campbellsville, and had them to make this beautiful table. We've got, and here's a silver set. Folks, this is quality. I mean, this is quality furniture and appliances and merchandise. No junk here. And we've got the hutch. We've got coffee grinders. You can see over here, we've got all kinds of glassware. We've got the bookshelf. It's got leaded glass in the top, and of course the rest of it's not, but the top is. We got the, you can see everything's got a number on it. It's going to be selling. We got a beautiful corner cherry a cabinet right there in the corner, and it's got the dishes and so forth in it. We'll just keep walking through here, and we'll see this. I think when they cataloged, they put that this lamp it's not plastic, it's leaded glass. Got the drop leaf table, the umbrella stand, we got the little hall tree there, and we'll just keep walking through here. And here's something that's going to be interesting. We've got an old school desk. John, did you sit at that desk?
I probably did.
All right.
Back in the corner somewhere.
Yeah, back in the corner when you wasn't in timeout or something. Yeah. Okay. And we'll move right on through here. We've got the couch with it's a hide bed, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hide bed.
Makes a hide bed. And
Queen bed.
Queen size. Lamps, TVs. We're going to take a walk through here. Let's go in here first, and you'll see some more beautiful cherry furniture. Bed, dresser, nightstands, chest of drawers, the rocker, and there's Lucy's bed, and Lucy's not in here right now. I know where Lucy's the dog here. Lucy, right there's Lucy, and Lucy runs the house. She is the boss here, and she's been real good for us. We're going to talk about putting her up, but she's staying quiet. We're not going to put her up as long as she's not barking at it. Now in here, another bedroom. There's all these prints. Like I say, there's one of the Yosemite National Park. Yosemite out where the park is, down here in our part of the country. we have Yosemite, but that's Yosemite National Park. John's visited a lot of the national parks and has photos. There is Lincoln County Courthouse. Lincoln County is a historic place, folks. It is the second oldest county in the state of Kentucky. We're down in the basement of the house now before we go to the shed, the tool shed. We've got crocks, we've got baskets, tater bendos, and a pressure cooker. It does have the jiggler.
Yes, they're all in there.
And they're right there with it. And we've got more kitchen paraphernalia over here. There's some old milk bottles. I'm looking to see if any of them, that's from Ohio, but old milk bottles, a microwave, all those things there.
TV.
This TV, and I've forgotten the size of it. It's on the sheet, I think, but I can't remember the size of it right now. But it's a large screen TV, not the biggest, but there's an old toy airplane, and there's some other toys there. And we have the silver. There is a copper boiler, kindling boxes, cast iron, just a whole array of items. And then over here, I want to show you something over here that I like. And that's a little red wagon. And is that homemade, John?
That was one that had come with the sides on and everything, and they tore up and I built that. Yeah,
Okay.
that part's homemade. The running gear is not.
Okay. John made it except for the running gears, okay? And we've got more tools, a lot of albums there. In here, Jacob, we've got all kinds of mirrors, and nice mirrors as well. You can see the prints. We've got caps of all makes and models. I think that, I want to picture that. Elliott Angus Farms. John was big in Angus cattle for many years, and I think that's a good picture representing. Oh, here's a neat little deal. And look at the little child's ladder back chair. That is so cute. Most everything in here sells. There might be a few items in here that does not sell, but they'll give you an idea of what we have. Okay.
The buyer, I'm gonna give the buyer the combination after the.
Okay. Whoever buys the safes, we'll give you. John has the combination. We're not going to put that for everybody to know. Paul Playford will be getting into it. All right. Okay, we're back in the garage now, heading toward the shop, and we got a nice grill right there, and then we've got the what's it called, the green
Big green egg.
green egg grill as well. Gas cans. Over here we've got bicycles and Raleigh, one of them's Raleigh, quality. And the leaf blower, it's a backpack, isn't it, John? Yeah, backpack. And you can see some of the odd and end tools that we have, and there'll be lots of them, folks. Okay, we're now down at the shop. We're on the outside under the cover, and you can see some of the equipment. We've got a rotary plow. We've got grater blade, post drivers, fencing. We've got the workbench, drill press, toolboxes, Craftsman toolboxes. And Jacob, get to this. Look at all the tools we got. We've got a lot of these are Craftsman's tools. And you got some good shelving. This one, these metal shelves, and they have, this one has a board bottom to them. And folks, like I told you, John took care of his items. Most of this stuff is kept in this big building he built a few years ago, and we got the Gator, and I can't remember the year model on it, but
15.
it's 2015. and it's well cared for. Got the cab. Then we got the Lexmark zero turn mower. I believe it's a 60-inch cut.
Yeah.
And all this works good, doesn't it, John?
Yeah. Got new blades on it.
Got new blades on it, ready to go. We got a lift here. We've got the post drivers. And right back here is something that, if I had me a horse, I'd like to have Paul. I don't know where Paul went, but this would be good for him. Take Patsy rides in.
Yeah, Patsy's looking forward.
Yeah, okay. Got to get you a horse first.
Down in Dollywood.
He bought it down at Dollywood in Tennessee, but you can see it's got the seat here, got the seats in the back.
It's called the Grandpa's buckboard.
Grandpa's buckboard is what it's called. It's got the top on it. Actually, this would be good in this kind of weather. You can stay park and drive. And John, what is it? A 16 foot? Do you remember?
I believe it's 14.
14. It's on the catalog, folks, but it's a good trailer. Got your tie downs inside. We got the trailer here with the
Generator. It's a 40 kW generator.
40 kW generator. Runs PTO. We got weed eaters. We got all kinds of weed eaters. The sprayers, the trailer.
That sprayer goes with that Gator, the John Deere.
Yeah, you
But it-
we sell it separately.
Sell them
but
separate.
It'll work with that Gator. We got a little seed planter. John, that looks like it's almost new.
It is.
Yeah. And the trailer sales.
Yeah.
The trailer sales. And look at here. We have got a old corn shelter. Now, folks, we've got brand new. You can see the boxes are still here of the Ritchie waterers. So if you have a farm and need a waterer, we've got them right here. Four of them are the
5 of them.
5 of them, and so there you go. Wagons. Even got a basketball goal. Sprayer here.
And table saw here.
This is a sprayer. It all works good.
Yeah, it all works good.
Pallet jack, just like looks like new.
It is.
Even got a trampoline in here. We're in the office now of the shop building, and very nice. Just get an overall view. There's a nice marble top table, an old desk. Got the chair. There's another drop leaf table. Beautiful chest of drawers right here, and just a whole conglomerate of items that you can use on your place. And we got a portable corral that you don't want to have to build a corral. You can these will work fine. They've got the hooks and all to go with them. Makes it an easy setup to work your cattle. Also, we have a semen tank. John, you want to tell us any more about the semen tank?
It's a large tank.
Large?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's a MVC. I can't think of it. But it's got 6 canisters in it instead of 4.
It's got 6 canisters of semen in it at the present time,
Yeah.
and instead of 4. So
And the semen goes with the tank.
the semen will go with the tank. Whoever buys the tank gets the semen.
Yeah.
Okay?
There's quite a bit of semen in there.
All right. Look at all the tools here, Jacob. We got all kinds of tools.
Moisture tester.
I'm sorry?
Moisture tester,
Yep.
grain moisture.
Moisture tester for your corn. Look, they're the old advertising sign of Mormons. Well, folks, we've taken a little time to get through all of this, and really we went through fast. But we had to. But I hope that you'll come out. The preview on this will be the sale concludes, online only auction. The sale concludes on Wednesday, next Wednesday, February 22nd. It concludes at 6 p.m. You can bid anytime now up through that time. It'll be a staggered closing. Then the pickup on these items will be on the following day, on the 23rd. And you'll be, if you're a purchaser of item, you'll get an invoice by email, and it'll give you all the details about it. But we hope that you'll come and be with us. It's going to be a fun sale. It's going to be a exciting day, and we'll be busy, and hope that you'll come and be a part of this sale for Mr. John Elliott as he sells a lifetime's accumulation and heads to Louisville, Kentucky. Thank you for watching.